Schedule your eBay listings like a pro. I'll show you how to do it in today's video. So first, you're just gonna log into eBay. You're gonna go into My eBay Selling, go to that eBay Selling tab, should look something like this, and then you're simply going to go to Listings and Scheduled. Once you're here, it's gonna look something like this, and you can click Create Listing, and we can do it together, and then schedule the listing to be listed. Now, if you don't see this hub, if it doesn't look like this, you can just go to Google, type in eBay Seller Hub, and then click on these 3 links, and one of them should give you access to the Seller Hub that looks something like this, which is really, really nice. You have to be on a desktop. If you still can't access it, then you have to contact eBay to enroll, but it's free and it's awesome. Now, once you went to Listings Scheduled, then you can just click List an Item, and you're going to list an item right here. So click Create Listing, and then you're gonna list an item. So just go ahead and upload a photo or, bulk list your item right here. We've got some templates, but you're just gonna search it. So let's say we're selling a neck and back massager, okay? So you're gonna click that, or you can be more specific. Just make sure it's as specific as possible, so that way you're in the right category. And then you're gonna click search and then create your listing. So when you're creating your listing, you can see you're gonna put your photos in, your title, right? The brand name, if you make sure it all has the correct brand name, you're not copying somebody else's, the UPC code, everything's correct, right? Now, there's this certain thing right here. It says schedule your listing. This is where you want to schedule it. So if I want to schedule it maybe tomorrow, let's say Thursday, or I know sales are going to be the greatest on Friday and I can schedule it ahead of time at 5 p.m. PDT, then I can go down and then I can schedule that and then just click list it right here. Now, once that's there, it says your listing has been scheduled, and then we can go back to the Manage Scheduler and refresh it. So we refreshed it, and you can see right here in the listing scheduled, you can see this is a scheduled listing, and it says when it's going to schedule. I can easily come back here, edit it, and change the schedule time if I want, or just completely just delete the listing, or reschedule here, delete the listing, or edit some different rules. But that's pretty much how you do it in a nutshell. And that's it for today's video. Want more eBay videos? Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an eBay seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your eBay journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on eBay, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full eBay account management service. This is what will manage your inventory, calling eBay, customer service, advertising, design, listing creation, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business managing eBay every single day. We're going to be the ones doing it for you, helping you increase your sales and helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.